Today I'll be cooking some Rocky Road brownies. The magic ingredient in these is black beans. And they provide a nice moist brownie with some amazing health benefits. Now these beans are especially good for diabetics because they are a low GI carbohydrate. They have plenty of fibre and plenty of protein, and also a lot of nutrients. They can also lower cholesterol, help prevent cancer and heart disease, and also aid in digestion. Okay, so you're going to need 2 cups of black beans. You can use tin beans, or the best way is to get dry beans, soak them overnight and then boil them for about 40 minutes until tender. Okay, next we have half a cup of cacao powder. And I'll put in half a cup of coconut flour. It's 1 tablespoon of any coffee powder that you like. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1/3 of a cup of melted coconut oil. 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup or coconut syrup, whichever you have on hand. And lastly, half a cup of any plant-based milk that you prefer. So now just blend it all until it's smooth. If the mixture is a little thick, just add another tablespoon of plant-based milk and blend again. So now the mixture is about right. So I'm just going to put half the mixture into a lined tin. Here I have about a cup of chopped dark chocolate, half a cup of dried cranberries, half a cup of shredded coconut, and half a cup of walnuts. And I'm just going to put half of these mixtures on top of what I've got in the tin. And now just put the remaining mixture on top of that. To help with spreading the mixture, just wet the back of the spoon and it'll be a lot easier to smooth it out. So lastly, just finish off with all the rest of the toppings, just sprinkled on top. So now we put it in the oven at 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. So here it is, my my delicious and surprisingly healthy Rocky Road brownie, ready to enjoy. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.